Right everyone, welcome back to another video. On this video we are changing the bonnet hinges from the original ones. They're a bit rough now and the bonnet rattles about quite a lot, so when you're driving along and it's windy or you're on the main roads it's rattling about and making a racket, and obviously it's quite easy to steal. If someone wanted to steal it they could just undo the hinges, but we've bought some Optimill hinges, so I'll get them out in a minute and show you obviously when I put them on, but it shouldn't be too much of a long video. But we've got nice hinges, we've got the security Torx bolts and a little guide, so I'll get the bonnet off and take the other hinges off and I'll show you how to fit these ones. Like I say, it shouldn't be too much of a long video, but get these on, that hopefully will stop the bonnet rattling and just make it look a lot nicer and easier to lift up and down as well. So yeah. Right, so it turns out you don't have to take these bits off because they don't come with them. You have to just fit the other ones on the bonnet and they hook into the same hooks. So I've finally got these out this side. Dad's up there struggling with that side. I had to just snap the bloody bits in there and that. So once we got them out, we'll put some. I painted the hinges and we're going to put some new bolts in anyway, because they did look all manky and rusty. So while he's just finishing his side off, I'm going to take the hinges off this side, which are just screws on the top, and then we've got a nut on the back. Take them off, clean it up so it's ready, and then we can fit the hinges once Dad's done that and put the bonnet back on. So as always, it's taken a lot longer than it should have, but that's because I didn't really read the instructions. Good times. Right, so I've got the hinges off here. Obviously you can see it used to be green. I've cleaned them up so they're ready to go on. And now we've got the other bits painted and new bolts in, so they're looking a lot cleaner. Same that side. So what you've got to do now, because it says on the instructions, you've got to undo that grub screw in there, and you can take the pins out of this. So if I put you on somewhere, on there, a 4mm Allen key. Just undo that, and then you can pull the pin out like that, and then you've got these two plastic bits, and these slide in to this, like that. Got my face in your face, and then you can slide the pin back in with the hinge. You need to go under anymore. No. Like so. Do the grub screw back up. and that's there ready for the bonnet to go on. So it's like that. It's still a bit wobbly, but it is what it is. I might hit that down a bit to make it a bit tighter. That's going to look a lot better. And then you just put the sticky pad on there, that's provided. So it goes between the bonnet and the hinge, and then tighten it up, and that's it. So I'll put you on here on the time lapse, just lifting it on, but that's pretty much it. So that's tightened up the grub screw, and then we'll be able to lift the bonnet up and just get the bolts in, tighten them up, and that should be it. Right, so we've finished putting them on, and it's nice and solid now, so it won't rattle while we're driving along. Looks a lot cleaner on there. I had to countersunk these a bit more because it's rubbing the hinges when you lift it up and down. It still is the slightest bit on that one, but I'll adjust that at another time. But obviously I didn't video it because I forgot to turn the GoPro back on, but we just held it up together, put the bolts in underneath with some big penny washers on, because the holes that were in the bonnet are a bit big for the washers provided. So I got some out the garage. But they're both on, tightened up. We obviously test fitted it shut to make sure it shuts, so it shuts nice and solid now. Both are on, looking very good. Nice and clean. We'll give the old truck a clean, and that should be us for the front. Happy with that. Easy job, apart from obviously me taking the wrong bits off, but I wanted them off anyway to paint them, and the bolts broke. But actually fitting the Optimill hinges it would take you 10 minutes with two of you, so you can lift the bonnet on and off, because you just lift it off, undo the hinges off, and then swap the new ones onto it and put it back on. So it is an easy job, just taking us longer to sort the other bits out, to clean it up and make it look nice with the other bits painted black. Very happy with that. Matches the squirter on the front and just makes it look a lot cleaner, and obviously safer, because you can't undo them from the outside now. So yeah, got the cup of tea on there. Happy with that. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, give us a message either on Instagram or comment on the video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to help the channel out. I'm trying to get it nice and big. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.